Good morning and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Today we are at Beamish. We're walking down towards Home Farm, which is the 1940s area, because it is an event called Dig for Victory. The reason I'm walking is because the park's just opened and the lines for the transport are humongous. After I have a look around at Home Farm, we'll go over and have a look at the 1950s area to see the construction updates. Morning. So as you can see, 1940s Home Farm has been transformed into Dig for Victory. And this is exactly what they mean by Dig for Victory. The government, during World War II, during the food shortages, put my teeth back in, the food shortages, asked everybody to use any spare piece of land to grow their own produce. He's a rather handsome fella, isn't he? And up on the hill here, so we've got Home Farm there, and up on the hill we have an encampment. So that was a Morse code demonstration, and upstairs they were doing 1940s style hair. So there you have it. That is the Dig for Victory event here at Beamish at the 1940s home farm. I'm going to head on over to the 1950s town to get a construction update on the picture house and shops, etc. So we've moved from 1940s World War II Britain to the 1950s, and mainly just to get a construction update. And as you can see on the cinema, they are putting the tiles on the roof, so it's coming along nicely. I'll go around the other side and get a better view shortly. So anyways, at some point in the near future, this fence will be down and these areas will be connected. But right now, I have to walk out there, turn left, and then left again. And this is what they are currently building. I can't wait. Why have I never noticed this police box before? Is this a new addition? Let me know down below. So as you can see, I've come down to the 1950s street, and there's lots of construction going on this side of the street, which is the picture house, cinema, and some more shops. I think one's a toy shop. So as I said previously, all of these areas will be joined. So at the moment we are here. These are what is getting built at the moment. That road there is that road there, which obviously is blocked at the moment, but it is going to be all one cohesive area. At the moment, you come in here, see this area, and then you have to go out there, walk around, and then come in this area. But as you can see, work is coming along very, very nicely. And of course, I will be here for the opening of this area, and I'll bring you guys with me. And of course, whenever we come to Beamish, we have to go to the bakery and grab ourselves a bite to eat. That bread smells beautiful. Well, the line at the bakery was way too long, but I've got myself a jam tart. Well, actually I lie. I've got 2 jam tarts. Hey hey! So I think it's about time to catch this tram and head back up towards the main entrance. So there you have it, that was our day at Beamish Dig for Victory event 2023, and also a quick update on the 1950s construction. So that'll just about do it for today. See you all in the next one. Now it's time to do your job.